Going into driver assist, at the top we've got your intelligent cruise control and adaptive cruise control. To know the difference between these two, you could press this information button just there, or a brief explanation from myself. Adaptive will just do your speeding and braking depending on what speed the car is ahead of you and what speed that you've set. Intelligent will do the same and then detect any bends in the road and slightly turn for you. And also when you're changing lane and you've indicated, it will assist you into getting to the middle of the lane. Once you've chosen which kind of cruise control you will use, whether it's intelligent or adaptive, it's operable on the left side of the steering wheel. The middle button is how you activate it, and the two arrow keys above and below are how you choose your speed. To get rid of it entirely is this X button there.